What's going on, people? Today we are checking out the Soundcore Boom 3i, which is their brand new portable personal speaker. I actually had this for about a month now. I'm actually going to be doing my reviews a little bit differently now. I'm going to actually spend some extended time with these products before I do the video, so I can give you a more in-depth and more accurate description of the product and how it works versus just my first impressions. And for the Boom 3i, I can say it's one of my favorite portable speakers that I've been using. I actually took this on vacation with me, so I've been using this a lot. So we're gonna go around the features, the specs, and then most importantly, we're definitely gonna give you a sound on how it sounds. So first of all, let's start off with the unit itself. This is the blue unit. I think it comes in black and some other colors as well. And actually right now it's on sale for $89.99, which is a real good deal for all of this can do. It has a lot of little hidden quirky features it can do that we're going to get to later on in the video. So if you look at the top, you see you have your power button, you have your Bluetooth pairing button. There's actually a really nice Soundcore app that we're going to look at that this speaker can connect to. You have your volume up and down, you got your play and pause, your lighting button, and then you have your bass controls. Now, as you can see, this is IP68, so if you look onto the back where your charging port is, it is a sealed port, IP68, so you can, play in the water with this if you want. This speaker is 50 watts, so it gives you a nice strong sound, has nice strong bass sound for the size. And then on the side, you can see it actually has this ported sub with the LEDs. More on the LEDs in my opinion about the LEDs later on in the video. But it has the LEDs on both sides. And then you have your front. Also comes with this strap that I actually have been using. So that's that. This is the box it comes in, just to give you an idea how that's going to look when you get it. That's a Soundcore box. So one thing about the speaker that I kind of thought was overkill was the lighting. Now the lighting on it, it does look nice, but this is not really what you would play at a party. And when I think about lighting on speakers, I'm thinking about like a party atmosphere. And of course, you're not going to play a small speaker like this at a party. But again, it's one of those nice to haves. It's not going to be a hurt. It's not going to hurt you. You can always turn it off if you don't want to use the lighting, but probably something that could have, cut from the cost a little bit if you went without it. But that's all personal preference. I think the lighting does look good once you go over to the app. Let me bring that app up just to show you, because that's where this speaker really shines, is through the app. All right, so we have the speaker up right here. Again, you can control your volume. You control the bass 2.0 system there. What's really nice about this is you can go in and do your custom EQ settings. I like the Soundcore signature, sounds the best to me. But if you want, you can go in and do a custom setting. I'm going to keep it on the Soundcore. There's also a voice amplifier. Now, remember I said you can use this in water. So if you do use it in water, after you're done, you can go to this button that says Buzz Clean. And it'll play this little sound, which will help you blow out any, particles of water that you still have in the speaker, which is a really nice add. And then of course, you can go, as you can see the lighting on the side, you can go in and change the lighting to, whatever you want. So there's a lot of different, options that you can do as far as your lighting. But where this really shines is with the white noise. So now you can go into the white noise. Of course, they have like your different presets of stuff they already have. So like if we go to Summer Dream, you got that, you got the campfire. And all of that's cool, but my favorite is you can actually go in and DIY. So I can go in, let's say I want go to the life, and then I want to go to let's say breakfast. I click that. Got the breakfast sounds, but then I can go into nature and put some water behind it. Or if I want some rain, I can add rain to that. And this will loop as long as you leave it on. So if you're one of those people that, you know, like to go to sleep to, you know, white noise, this is a really nice feature. Has a lot of different options. As you can see, if you go to all, these are all of the different sounds that you can add into your, you know, custom white noise. Now, if you do create your own, everything you have saved will show up in this list. So without wasting any more time, let's get into what everybody here to hear, and that's what this speaker actually sounds like. So I'm going to go ahead and load up some of my, you know, custom music so I don't get copyrighted. But let's load up some music and get an idea of what this sounds like.
I'm a big step, but you know that we steppin'. We coming in twos, you know I could buy you a bag, but you buying two. Cause you cannot choose, I told her I'm breaking her back in this. Ooh, she know I be keeping it real, but I lie to her still like I'm sorry, but it's just the truth. You can find me where the cash is, need a mattress, and I hit her like you. And she told me that I hit it with passion, that's facts, and she wanna know the truth. But you gon' do what you want, and you want what you see. So she telling her friends that she wanted my kids, but the same friends that she telling her friends she don't want me again. She said I don't want him, but we all know you want him. Why you always tryna play them? She said I don't want him, but we all know you want him. Why you always tryna play them? You just wanna show face for the crowd, don't want them to know that you've been around. But your friends keep dragging my name through the mud, so they know what's up. She said I don't want him, but we all know you.
So that's the Soundcore Boom 3i. If you want to check this out, I'll have it linked down in the description. Again, like I said, right now they're running a special at $89.99. So really good price for this. I definitely want to thank Soundcore for sending this out early for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. So if you want to learn more, check it down in the comment section. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.